Uh, let's go across to our next caller. Sumit is dialing into us. Sumit, what's your query?
Good evening. Thank you for my call. I'm calling from Qatar.
Oh, that's good. Thanks so much for joining us, Sumit, at this time.
Kalyan Jeweler, I have 126 piece at the rate 531. Can I add more?
All right, let me go across to, first Girish first actually, because, Kalyan Jewelers, Girish, the company did hold a conference call, and, we have almost a daily query on Kalyan Jewelers recently, because a lot of investors who bought into the growth story currently have a lot of questions on the long-term outlook, because promoter pledging of shares, buying a private plane, a lot of rumors going around. While they have been trying to alleviate some of them with a conference call, it's not helped the stock price performance at all. Any kind of view that you have on Kalyan Jewelers and what to watch out for next in this company?
So, Kalyan Jewelers, we are just talking about, because there's so many rumors, so many discussions are still going on with the promoters pledging it and everything. Obviously, you suggested that. But the promoters are still trying to just figure it out what the explanations are given by them. So we are a little bit bullish on that particular Kalyan Jewelers, because their national presence, as well as they are more focusing on the growth presence in the geographical of Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities both, as well as we are seeing the volume growth is going to be high in the next 2 quarters or 3 quarters. We can say that by the 22%. As well as we are more focused on that budget propositions also in the gold stocks. So we have a long-term view in the bullish case, and we are still in the holding propositions. And if the investors want to invest for the 1.5 year, 2 years time frame, definitely is a very good fundamental stock.
Jay, on the charts, a lot of investors got stuck buying at around the 500 rupee levels. Would you suggest them to hold on to the stock, despite this 36% fall in the last month? Would you suggest them to wait for a correction, recovery going forward? Or do you see some more correction in the stock?
The stock is very precariously poised, and it's come very close to an important support at 446. The recent low is about today's low, I think it's about 455. So just short of the significant support at 446. But the price structure seems to suggest that it's not exhausted its selling. So watch what it does about 446. If it were to break below that, I think it can fall deeper to 364. So I know. So avoid for the moment. And the medium to long term structure though looks positive, but the short term to medium term selling, it looks still to go. So probably some more downsides to work with.
All right, so that's a view coming in on Kalyan Jewelers. Now with that, we have a caller from Chennai. His name is also Kalyan. Hi, Kalyan.
Hi, very good evening.
Good evening.
I need to know, I have some 400 shares of BST Industries.
Yeah.
Almost in September 2024, I bought this one.
All right.
Actually, I bought for a long term, I mean to say 3 to 6 months one day. The thing is that as of now, it is down to 330, I think. So.
Yes, because I can see you are sitting on a loss of almost 28,000 there since you bought in just September. So yeah, in a very short span of time, you are sitting on a loss. So what is your query about? Do you want to hold it or?
Yeah, hold it, or else I can look for some other.
All right. So Jay, coming straight to you on this, how is VST Industries faring on the charts, considering Kalyan is also sitting on a loss of almost 28,000 there?
See, the short-term charts are quite choppy, but the medium terms, the stock could have potential. But I don't think the recent low it made in November at 300 odds, that's the final low for the stock. But if it is the final low, I would like to see the stock scale past 368. Only then I can conclude that the bottom is in place. But otherwise, the stock risks further downsides. But since the medium-term picture is slightly better off, I would say, hold on for the moment.